some fish and milk. There's actually fish in there to make it smelly. They won't worry how it comes. I'll take them home. A safe place. Okay, so this is where they were. Very dense bush. So the rescue mission continues. I'm going to get down here somehow. Whoops. Okay. Right, past me. I'll start pulling some stuff away and see putting in here. There's two more kittens. Monique's just rung me and I'm just racing down with a couple of cages. I'll get there in a minute. Okay, it's unlocked. Okay. Headlamp. It must be maybe in the same spot. In the same hole. Do you want to play that thing again? Yep. At least it'll be dry and warm. Yeah. Right down in here. Yeah. I pulled it. I uncovered it. Sweetheart. Quick, in the cage. Alright, darling. Here you go. To take this little one back to its mum because it's really wet and cold now. Onyx will jacket it up. Trying to find the other one. Hello, beautiful mummy. I have your baby. She's in here. You call her. You call her. Come on. She's there. Can you smell her? Yes, mummy. Look. Here you go. Look. Look. She loves her biscuits. Gotta have milk, sweetie. Gotta have your fluids. Everyone in the bed, you sweetheart. Hi, darling. So they the stars obviously. Yeah, it's incredible, eh? So I can go right in there. Well, does this look like we can find the other kitten? Not sure. Pulled this apart totally. There.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. There goes my hands shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn